Oreo is more than just a cookie. It's a symbol of sweet joy, nostalgia, and the perfect balance between a crisp chocolate texture and a smooth vanilla filling. First introduced in 1912, Oreo has taken over the world and is now sold in over 100 countries. But how is this culinary icon made on an industrial scale? Welcome behind the scenes to one of the most advanced and massive cookie factories in the world. It all starts with the ingredients. The base dough is made from flour, sugar, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, salt, and baking soda. The flour is high quality, all-purpose, and sourced from local farms. It's pre-sifted to ensure ideal texture and to eliminate clumps or impurities. The sugar is finely granulated so that it dissolves evenly. Larger crystals wouldn't work. They could affect the smooth surface of the baked cookie. Fun fact, the Oreo cookie itself contains only about 15% sugar by dry weight. Most of the sweetness comes from the creamy filling. It's the cocoa that gives the Oreo cookie its signature dark, almost black color. The factory uses what's known as alkalized cocoa powder, made from premium beans sourced from Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire, and Indonesia. These beans are roasted, ground, and gently treated with an alkaline solution to reduce acidity and enhance flavor. Without this process, Oreo cookies would be lighter in color and slightly more tangy. At the massive Oreo factories, everything is measured with extreme accuracy. Around 40% flour, 25% cocoa, 15% sugar, 15% fat, and a few secret ingredients. Sugar, salt, and cocoa are first loaded into industrial mixers. Then comes the vegetable oil, most often canola, along with water. Initially, the mixture resembles a thick chocolate paste. To lower the temperature and make the dough more workable, dry ice is added. This cools the dough and prevents it from rising prematurely. Once the dough is ready, it moves to the forming line. Here, the magic happens. Heavy rollers flatten the dough into a sheet, then cut it into perfect round shapes. At the same time, the iconic Oreo embossing, the logo, and decorative wreath is stamped on each cookie. One press and it's done. These machines can stamp up to 6,000 cookies per hour. Each cookie is identical. Thickness, symmetry, and even the clarity of the design are all monitored automatically. This isn't just a cookie, it's food design at its finest. The formed dough rounds travel through industrial ovens as long as 120 meters. The baking temperature is around 180 degrees Celsius, and the bake time is 10 to 12 minutes, enough to get that perfect crunch without drying them out. The goal is to bake them through while keeping the inside just a bit soft. Once out of the oven, the cookies are blasted with cold air. This sudden drop in temperature locks in the texture, crispy on the outside, uniform on the inside. The cookies are cooled and sent for visual inspection. Any cracked, burnt, or misshaped pieces are pulled and sent for recycling. While the cookies cool, the other half of the magic is being made, the signature non-dairy cream filling. It's made from powdered sugar, vegetable shortening, mainly palm oil, corn syrup, flavorings, and soy lecithin. Everything is mixed in giant vats under strict temperature control, between 20 and 24 degrees Celsius, to keep the cream soft but stable. Lecithin plays a key role here. It binds together fat and water. Thanks to it, the cream is smooth, elastic, and doesn't separate. The finished cream is pumped into automated dosing systems. The bottom cookie moves down a conveyor, while a swirl of cream is piped precisely in the center, measured exactly by weight and volume. The second cookie is gently pressed on top, distributing the cream evenly without squeezing it out. This is how the iconic Oreo sandwich is formed, and it all happens at speeds of up to 3,000 cookies per minute. The assembled Oreos are sent through a cooling tunnel. There, at around 5 degrees Celsius, the cream sets and the cookie stabilizes. This is crucial to ensure the cookies don't stick together and retain their shape during packaging and transport. After cooling, the Oreos arrive at one of the most high-tech areas of the facility, the packaging line. Here, nothing is left to chance. Every cookie sandwich is placed into its slot with absolute precision. The packaging machines operate at an incredible pace, up to 400 packs per minute. Each packet is filled with an exact number of cookies. For example, a standard pack in the US contains 36 Oreos, not one more or less. High-speed cameras automatically reject any misaligned, broken, or unfilled cookies. Once in place, each package is sealed airtight. This is crucial for preserving the crispness and preventing moisture or air exposure. The films used to wrap Oreo cookies are made with barrier technology. They protect against oxidation and extend shelf life without the use of preservatives. Every package is automatically stamped with the production date, expiration date, batch number, and ingredient list. In some countries, like those in Europe, QR codes are also printed for ingredient traceability. Oreo isn't just a mass-market snack. It's a global quality standard. That's why every batch goes through multiple layers of inspection. Visual check. AI-powered cameras examine shape, size, color, and symmetry. Weight check. Sensitive sensors verify the exact weight of each package. Tactile check. Random packs are manually opened to evaluate crunch, aroma, and cream consistency. If even one parameter falls short, the entire batch can be flagged for reprocessing. No compromises on quality, ever. Packed boxes of Oreos are sent to fully automated warehouses. Here, everything, from temperature to robotic movement, is controlled by digital systems. Towering shelves, up to 12 meters high, store tens of thousands of packs. The storage temperature is kept at around 18 degrees Celsius to prevent chocolate melting and maintain cream consistency. All inventory is managed on a FIFO basis to ensure product freshness during distribution. Oreo is shipped to more than 100 countries. Every day, hundreds of tons of cookies are loaded onto transport trucks. All deliveries are made in climate-controlled vehicles, which is especially important in warmer climates. In Japan, mini Oreo packs with flavors like green tea and strawberry are in high demand. In India, Oreo uses a slightly less sweet cream to suit local preferences. In Europe, the double-stuffed versions are bestsellers, while in the US, seasonal varieties like pumpkin spice or candy cane create a buzz every year. The secret is simple, yet genius. The perfect combination of crunch and softness, cocoa bitterness, and vanilla sweetness. But there's also an obsessive focus on detail. The slogan, "Milk's favorite cookie," has become part of pop culture and is recognized all over the globe. Moreover, Oreo remains a flexible brand, constantly innovating, experimenting, and listening to its fans. That's why Oreo comes in so many formats: standard, mini, bars, ice cream, and more. Today, Mondelez, Oreo's parent company, is actively implementing sustainable practices, transitioning to eco-friendly packaging with reduced plastic use, using solar energy at production sites, running the Cocoa Life program to ensure fair pay for farmers in Africa, incorporating recycled materials into production equipment. Making cookies isn't just delicious anymore, it's responsible too. Every Oreo is more than just a sweet treat. It's the product of engineers, food scientists, designers, and logisticians. From a farm in Côte d'Ivoire to a shelf in your local store, each cookie takes a journey of thousands of kilometers and hundreds of steps. And all of it is for one simple pleasure: twist it, lick it, dunk it. Oreo is not just a cookie, it's a ritual, a story, a flavor that brings generations together.